first trout.
Big.
And that's, Mari's already caught trout. That's my other grandson. He kind of lives with me.
Those are big.
Yeah, look at that. We got so much fun. That was his first trout, though. That was cool.
That's pretty awesome.
I took my other grandson 2 weeks ago. He's in between, he's a little older than him. And it's his first fish. I took, they caught 20 trout. But they weren't big. They were small. But they caught a bunch.
So what do you do with them? You take them home?
Oh yeah,
Or do
we
you
eat
throw
them.
them back in?
Oh no, we eat them. Yeah, trout are kind of funny. They're delicate. Sometimes they die. You catch them. It all depends how they're hooked.
Yeah.
I've let some go that were too small and stuff, and they were healthy.
Yeah.
But if you hook them good enough, they don't make it.
We're going to that place.
Oh, wow! This isn't going to go through the tunnel again, is it?
What?
It's not going to go through the tunnel again, is it?
Oh man. Okay, you gotta hold my hand again.
No, you're not doing it yet.
I'm scared.
It's my train.
I think this part goes through the tunnel. This part doesn't.
I'll hold your hand. No, I'll hold your hand.
Well, yeah, will you hold my hand when I go through the tunnel? Okay, I could get scared.
Why do you think when someone says, ooh.
And if we go into these bridges, let me know when we go on bridges. I get scared on bridges too. No bridges. Yeah. Oh no, it's a bridge. Hey, hold my hand. Oh, hold me. Let me go.
Is that scary?
Not scary?
No.
You're not scared? Look at the quail over here too. There's a quail there.